Hi everybody. So today is day two. It's been roughly 48 hours after my surgery. Uh, as you can see from the whiteboard behind me, it was tough. The second 24 hours was really tough. So my medication, the local anesthesia, wore out finally, and I have never been in so much pain in my life, I think, for that long. I mean, for a short time, sure, but this was just the pain would not go away. My leg is really swollen. And so I started taking oxycodone. Uh, it took a little bit before the body kind of responded, but I took pretty much two pills for the night, like around midnight, and I slept for 3 hours, thank God. And then I took another pill right there and then and slept for another 3 hours. So that was really good for my recovery. Uh, I felt so much better. Now the pain is definitely better today. I still took one oxycodone, I think at 7 or something like that. But after that, now it's 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m., something like that. So I haven't taken any oxycodone since the morning. And so far, I'm managing. I mean, it's painful, but it's not too bad. Let's see. So the status of my knee. uh, I'll lift the pants on both legs so that you can compare. Uh, it's swollen, like the whole thigh is swollen, the knee is swollen, the calf is swollen, maybe not as much. Uh, Yesterday I took shower. This thing was really full, uh, the dressing. So I opened the corner here and let it seep out, and uh, then I was not able to close it. It was not holding closed. So essentially, my, my blood was slowly dripping down my leg. But you can see I cannot do much. Like, even like straightening, bending, the knee, the knee is so swollen that the swelling is not letting me do much. So I'm trying to do these, just move a little bit. That's one of my exercises. And you can also see that I am more careful. The first day after surgery, I was running around and feeling all great, and up and down the stairs with crutches, around downstairs or upstairs with the walker, and I had no problems. But now the last 2 days, they have been really tough. Going up the stairs and especially down the stairs is very slow, and I'm very careful. And essentially every step on the bed, foot hurts. Uh, but the swelling, I think, is slightly worse or about the same as yesterday, but the pain is definitely better. So I'm really grateful for that. Uh, what else? I'm still elevating, icing, doing my ankle pumps, uh, trying to move every hour, but I just took a nap, so that's why I feel actually pretty good. So, I took a nap for like hour and a half or 2 hours. So, yeah, I didn't move for 2 hours, but I actually took a nap with my leg elevated. And before that, I was icing. And so, uh, this is my trusted friend. The belt, it's just a lifesaver. So I can move the leg up and down, and I'm doing my ankle pumps, and also I try to do the quad isometrics. Just tighten the muscle here a little bit and push down here. I know you guys cannot see it, but I'm doing it, and it hurts, but not too bad. One thing that I'm also doing on a different sofa. So I'm lying on the whole length of the sofa. Let me see if I can show it to you here. Oh yeah, and so I'm using the belt as you see, using the healthy leg. I think it's good when you're feeling a little better, but when you're feeling as bad as I am, it's really hard to use the other leg. So just one leg at a time, really helping. Okay, so okay, I need to move a little bit more. What I wanted to show you, so when I lay down on the sofa, I do my isometrics, but also push against the sofa with my foot. You guys can see it. And it's just another exercise, just to involve some of the muscles at least a little bit. And there is no way I can do like extensions or anything like that. You can see I am really in lots of pain. One exercise that is not too painful, and I like it, is calf raises. So I just stand with the walker and put as much weight as possible, as as little as you want, or as much as you want, and just lift your calves. Okay, you cannot see that, so I can do it here. Just lift your calves and down, up and down. Just getting some blood flow. Getting the muscles engaged a little bit. And another thing, my back is starting to hurt. I mean, I'm lying down all the time. It's not good. So the other thing I'm doing is arching. Well, a little bit of arching, but essentially, if you looked up, when I lean on the walker, I'm bending back and essentially trying to stretch my back the other way, because my back is always round, my neck is always round, because I'm trying to support my head and maybe watch a little bit of TV or something. And so, yeah, not that great. Anyway, but last night was really, really tough. This morning was better, so I see the improvements. Hopefully, I can tell you tomorrow that things are improving, and I really need to get the swelling down. So for now, elevating, icing, ankle pumps, and I'll probably send an email to my doctor and check with the nurse and see if there's anything else I should do, if I should push through the swelling and move the knee a little bit more, or the other way, don't don't push. I did some research on the internet, and I see both advice. Like, some people say, oh, you gotta just push a little bit harder, and some other website, and that one is actually seems more scientific to me. They are saying, just take it easy. The swelling, controlling the swelling is the most important thing, and for that you will need to elevate and ice. So that's what I'm doing, and wish me luck. Okay, one more again.